you so much, Miss Paulette, ha? Thank you so much, Miss Paulette. Love, love, love. Good job, Miss Paulette and Miss Lee. I don't know when... Gagawa muna pala ako. I don't know when, Miss Paulette, we can go back to back with Miss Paulette. I don't know when, Lee. And if your sound card is okay now, Miss Paulette, you can go. You can come up. I mean, if we're going live StreamYard, you can go up and sing with us. If your StreamYard is okay now, I don't know. Is my English or good or I don't know.
It's okay lang yan, Mamshi. Go, Mamshi.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Beautiful song, Mama Lishari. Thank you so much, Sis Diara McKay. Thank you so much. And the rest, and guys, thank you, Rom. Sa mga nakabidyo sa atin, guys, thank you so much. Sa mga nagbigay ng mga likes, thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Always love and support. Hindi kayo nagsasawa sa aming mga faces.
Oh! Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful faces. Ay, sana ko.
Ay, sana all. Ikaw na talaga,
Leo. Ay,
kagwapag isang akon, co-host. Nano na lang
Siyempre yung
Adidat, walang idiot, pati lagay, ginabala. Oh, no! Uy, manibisaya. Kita mo lang ha?
Oo.
Si Romeo lumayas na si Romeo. Nagura-gura
na.
Can you please read what Miss Paulette said? Miss Lay?
Wala akong nakikitang message, Ma'am Shio. Wala. Loading.
Ako na lang. Okay. Miss Paulette Scriber said, I'm gonna have to do it one day when I
Wow.
Yes, I'm gonna have to do it one day when I am off from work. Okay. Hoping that one day we can get together and back to back with Miss Lay, Arbis Vlog. Miss Paulette, I know you are a very good singer with Miss Lee. Yeah. If you don't know how to speak English, just say, yeah. Okay?
Ma'am, bakit, wala talaga, naghang na. Wala akong message.
Wala. Beautiful song, Mama Alicia Ali. Good night po. Mag-end na rin kami, Mama Alicia Ali. Thank you so much po. Ikaw na lang, last song.
Sige, last song na.
Thank you so much, beautiful soul. Thank you so much, guys. Magla-last song na po kami kasi para makapagpahinga na rin po kayo. Tama na 1 oras at kalahati.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Love po sa inyo. Beautiful soul. Love you, guys.
Okay. Last song. Kalungkot man to, Ma'am Shi.
Isli.
Isla na to. Daw kalungkot man na to.
Yan, Isli kay masaot kita.
Nay, daw yan ako yung makita, Ma'am Shi, iya, ha? Ambot. Naubos na nato. Dali lang. Ay, uyan na, Ma'am Shi, ha?
Naubos. Uy, yan na. Ikot
yan na, Ma'am Shi. Ikaw na ako, Ma'am Shi.
Ara naman na siya. Ay.
Duya, dito ako yung nakita yung Ma'am Shi, matuod lang. Ay.
May, okay na.
Anay lang, pinadugay pa, inahay, pinadugay. Yan na, ito na lang, Ma'am Shi. Yan na ako makita.
Ikaw na maglalast song, ha? Padugay-dugay pa.
Ikaw na lang, Ma'am Shi, mag-love song. Kasi ikaw host.
Nano na sa'yo, ara na ginahay.
O yan na, Ma'am Shi, bangit. Ay, ito na lang. Okay.
ICB Max Vlog, hello. Thank you so much sa ICB. Igwa pa hay harap ako kan take my eyes off you pagani. Hoy, igwa pa isang nabilin.
Hindi ko makita. Ari na lang. Total mag-e-end na tayo. I love you, Lord.